Thanks so much. I welcome you to Politics Today. I'm your brother, Great. Soludo had continued with his treacherous activities against Igbo and against the person of P2B. In the recent visit of Bola Ahmed Tinubu to Anambra State, Soludo decided to gamble with the destiny of the Nigerian people.
The Anambra State governor, during the inauguration ceremony, said that the All Progressives Grand Alliance, APGA, will continue its policy of adopting a sitting president as its candidate for the upcoming 2027 elections, emphasizing that APGA is strategically and ideologically aligned with the federal government and the renewed hope agenda. Let's take a look.
I want to put on record that it is in time for all progressives. It is time for all progressives, for all the federalists, and all parties with social democratic, centrist, and left-of-center credentials to unite, to advance the purpose of a united and progressive Nigeria. May God bless the Jagaban, bless the renewed hope agenda.
A man that cannot stand shoulder to shoulder with other world leaders. A man that is laboring to ensure that the authorities in US will not make public his record. A man every Nigerian should be so ashamed that Nigeria decays to such a point that Tinubu can hold an exalted office as that of the president. When Nigerians are laboring to see how they can take back their country, deliver themselves from the national disgrace, the shame of having a man that cannot stand shoulder to shoulder with other world leaders, that is when Soludo and APGA will tell us they are adopting Tinubu as their presidential candidate in 2027. We already know, Soludo is a man without any electoral value. Of all the nonsense he's garbage out, in his inconsequential history record, I cannot keep silent. Deceiving the world that P2B cannot even win in Anambra State. He may get 25% of the vote as homeboy. The whole world saw the outcome of 2023 presidential election. P2B was the clear winner. If not for blank paper and glitches, P2B was the clear winner. To the point that all the manipulation perpetrated by INEC in Lagos, they were not even able to come up and say Tinubu was the winner in Lagos. P2B defeated Tinubu in Lagos. P2B was the clear winner in every state in Southeast. If not for the treacherous and wickedness of Nyesom Wike, P2B was the clear winner in all the states in South. Even in Delta, where Okowa, former governor, was vice presidential candidate to Atiku Abubakar, P2B was the winner in Delta. That's a man without a single governor supporting him. That's a man everybody said he does not stand a chance. Yet, he was the clear winner. Lo and behold, Soludo knows the game is up. The whole world knows Tinubu is the candidate to beat. You can say there are just two presidential candidates that will contest 2027 presidential election, P2B and the others. Rather than Soludo borrow sense and stand with his people, stand with the Nigerian people, stand with good governance, stand with equity and good conscience, Soludo decided to mock shame and align with a man he was supposed to distance himself from. Of what benefit Soludo's relationship with Asorok? What has Soludo been able to attract to Southeast with his relationship with those in Asorok from the time of Buhari up to this time? Come to Southeast. There is an organized effort to frustrate ease of doing business. The whole of Southeast is militarized. We are under military siege, yet kidnappers operate freely. Organ harvesters operate freely. You cannot travel from Okigwe to Owerri. You cannot travel from Owerri to Aba. There is no forest on these roads, yet kidnappers operate freely. Operate freely. Nobody is challenging them. Day after day, kidnappers operate freely. As if they receive official license from the powers that be to go and make Southeast a desolate place. The governors are silent. The security agencies, it's as if they are observers. The Igbo race is under serious attack. Yet Soludo has presented himself as a co-conspirator. Soludo could not complain to the president that terrorists have taken over everywhere in Southeast. And it's as if nothing is being done to deal with the situation by the security agencies. Soludo was not able to speak for the interests of Southeast. For about 3 years in office, Soludo could not attract a single foreign direct investment. Ask him, where is the manufacturing company? He told the world that P2B's investment is next to nothing. We expected by now, Soludo will have that investment that will be next to something. But for 3 years running, Soludo had achieved nothing. But working with the oppressors of the Igbo race, he was not able to attract any foreign investment, attract any national investment into Southeast. He was not able to achieve it. Insecurity took over Anambra State under the watch of Soludo. But what he knows he will do is to adopt Tinubu for 2027. Undoubtedly, Anambra people will wake up and tell Soludo, your performance is below average. You wasted the time of the people and wasted the resources of the people. The promise of turning Anambra State, turning Oka, Onisha, and so on to Dubai, nothing was achieved. Soludo, let the Anambra people help him to know it is time up. He cannot continue with his treacherous activities against the Igbo race, against the good people of Anambra State. Enough is enough.